in today's video, show you how to group customers in Zoho Books, making it easier to organize and analyze your business data. First, we'll create reporting tags. These allow you to categorize customers by criteria like region, department, or type. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon, then select Reporting Tags under the Customization section. Click plus new tag, give it a name like region and enter the options such as North, South, East and West. Click Save to store your new tag. Next, assign these tags to customers. Go to Sales, then Customers, and open an existing profile or create a new one with the plus new button. In the customer profile, find the reporting tags section and select the appropriate tag option for that customer. For example, assign North or West based on their location. Don't forget to save your changes. Once done, your customers are grouped, making your report segmented and more insightful for business decisions. And that's it. Grouping customers in Zoho Books is quick, simple, and a great way to keep your data organized.